Mummy, you know what I learned today? It turns out that buildings can hear and speak. They have souls. They remember every passerby and tell them fantastic tales of the past. Dad and I saw St. Basil's Cathedral today. I learned about the time there were no phones or computers, and kids play different games that I don't even know about. The cathedral now keeps the memory of me as well, and so it goes through generations. I think that we must not forget about Russian architecture. It's like a jigsaw puzzle. You can put it together without one last piece. If you forget just one building, it's like losing a whole story.